Yes, again good morning. Now ready for learn and write down the today's topic, and then we have to see NCERT exercise, our exercise of your book. The question is, the topic is electroplating, ELECTRO, electroplating. Write down the topic name. Dear children, for that electrolysis that we have seen, yesterday, it is used to deposit, electrolysis is used to deposit, it is used to deposit, it is used to deposit a layer of desired metal, a layer of desired metal, a layer of desired metal on another metal, to make its surface more decorative. It is used to deposit a layer of desired metal on another metal, जैसे हम लेयर लगाएंगे तो that metal should be decorative and resistance to corrosion, और ऐसे प्रोसेस को हम कहेंगे इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. Again I am repeating, write down what is electroplating. It is used to deposit a layer of desired metal, on another metal to make surface more decorative. To make surface more decorative is called electroplating. We know very well कि steel जो होता है बच्चों, it is a strong metal. Steel is a strong metal and they use to make many things. But होता क्या, कई बार steel पे भी जंग लग जाता है. Steel also got rust. So then what we can do? We can prevent rusting by covering steel with something to protect it. Steel के ऊपर भी हम जो है दूसरी लेयर लगा देते हैं to avoid rusting. So we can paint or we can coat to steel. Either we can paint, उसके ऊपर पेंट कर देंगे और उसको कोटेटिंग कर देंगे by chromium. So we can paint or I can say coat parts of the steel by chromium, और उसको कहा जाता है बच्चों chromium painting. We may call, when steel is coated by chromium, that is called chromium painting. Now I want to see the electroplate, a spoon with silver. We are going to see a small activity here. How we can see? Let us draw a figure. You can see in your book, and I am also here drawing. Here we are having a container, and in this container we are taking silver nitrate electrolyte. Here we are taking an electrolyte, that is silver nitrate, AgNO3. This is the formula here. Electrolyte, that is silver nitrate aqueous, पानी मिला हुआ इसमें. So I can say this is the electrolyte here. Write down full name, silver nitrate. Then we are taking here two electrodes. One electrode, it is something like this. This is the anode. Here it is anode. that is silver bar here. लिख लीजिए ये जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हमने बनाया है, this is anode and here is a silver bar, and in the right hand side we are taking and a spoon here. Here it is a spoon, that is cathode. Here it is a spoon, that is cathode, and both are being connected to a cell, something like this. So draw this figure. In one side we have an electrode of silver, that is called anode, and here जिसके ऊपर सिल्वर का कोटेटिंग करना है, इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग करना है, that is cathode. सिल्वर नाइट्रेट is dissolved in water. इसके अंदर सिल्वर नाइट्रेट प्लस वाटर, that is called aqueous solution of silver nitrate. Now the spoon is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This is the negative terminal of the battery and this is the positive terminal of the battery. The spoon is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. You can see here. The spoon is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So it is negative electrode or it is called cathode. इसको क्या कहेंगे बच्चों हम? कैथोड. क्या बोलेंगे? बोलो.
Cathode.
Very good, Kyanti. Very good.
Cathode.
Now, a bar of silver is attached to the positive terminal. It is called positive electrode. और उसको हम बोलेंगे पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोड को एनोड. क्या बोलेंगे मेरे प्यारे बच्चों?
Anode.
Very good. Write down here एनोड. जैसे ही हम इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास करेंगे, लिखिए एक लाइन. When electric current is passed through the solution, it splits up into silver ion. It splits up into silver ion. ये Ag plus. It is split up into silver ion and nitrate ion. Negative. Silver ion positive. It is split up. Silver ion positive. Nitrate ion negative. जैसे करंट पास करोगे, it splits up into two ions, that is silver ion and nitrate ion. The silver ion in the water are attracted to the negative. इस तरफ जाएंगे. नेगेटिव कैथोड स्पून एंड स्टिक टू इट, और उससे जाके चिपक जाएंगे. उससे जाके क्या हो जाएंगे? क्योंकि नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव को अट्रैक्ट करेगा. तो सिल्वर जो होगा दैट विल अट्रैक्टेड बाय दिस स्पून व्हिच इज द बार ऑफ द सिल्वर. तो टू मेक अप फॉर द लॉस ऑफ सिल्वर फ्रॉम द सॉल्यूशन, जब इसमें से सिल्वर जा रहा है इधर, तो क्या करेंगे? लॉस ऑफ सिल्वर को कैसे कवर करेंगे? तो सिल्वर फ्रॉम द एनोड goes to the solution. यहां से जो होगा सिल्वर वो इसमें चलाएगा. जो सिल्वर इधर जा रहा है सॉल्यूशन से, that will recover by this electrode. That will recover by this electrode. So this goes on still until the spoon is smoothly plated with silver. तो इधर से सॉल्यूशन से सिल्वर जाएगा टी स्पून पर, और जो सिल्वर यहाँ पर कम होगा, that will be loss covered by this electrode, and this teaspoon will coated it. So silver bar is used in this process. So it's a very simple process by which easily we can coated the teaspoon by silver. This is called electroplating. क्या कहलाता है बच्चों? Electroplating. So these are the, what are the advantages of electroplating? लिखिए एडवांटेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. राइट डाउन द एडवांटेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. राइट डाउन द एडवांटेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. फर्स्ट, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेज? The advantage of electroplating to protect the metal from collision. मेटल को बच्चों जंग नहीं लगे तो we can say first it is that is the metal from collision. इसको प्रोटेक्ट करता है, प्रोटेक्ट metal from corrosion. Then second one is it gives a shiny finish to the metallic surface. चमका देता है, shiny finish. जैसे आप टी स्पून के ऊपर सिल्वर कोटेटिंग कर देंगे तो चमकने लग जाएगा. That is called shiny finish. Electroplating is used in the printed circuit board PCB. ये बच्चों कंप्यूटर में काम में आती है PCB, टीवी में काम में आती है, अंदर लगी होती है प्रिंटेड सर्किट बोर्ड बोलते हैं उनको, जिस पर काफी सारे कनेक्शंस होते हैं. Lot of connections are there that are used in television, computers, any other electronic devices. It is also used in jewelry. That is also used in jewelry. Made up with cheaper material, they are plated with gold. किसी के भी ऊपर अगर सिल्वर के ऊपर गोल्ड की परत लगानी है तो we can do this by electroplating method. और वो जो सिल्वर का मेटल है वो सोने का लगने लग जाएगा. That is called electroplating. Okay? So this is also used in jewelry product for shiny purpose. Also electroplating in use in water taps. जो वाटर टैप्स होती है उनको भी चमकीला बनाने के लिए we can electroplating करते हैं उसको. डेकोरेटिव एंड शाइनी टेप्स जो हम लेके आते हैं मार्केट से, that is also based on this method, electroplating. Also canes are used in the food industries. They are made of iron, so iron can react with many food items, so we can electroplate it with fine materials and we can use it. So these are the different uses of electroplating. You may remember it. One more question is there. So electroplating is done in many factories in our India. Electroplating is done in India in many factories, but some rules and regulations are there. जो इसका डिस्पोजिंग ऑफ होता है, जो मटेरियल केमिकल्स निकलते हैं, बहुत ही गंदे केमिकल्स निकलते हैं बच्चों, तो उनको डिस्पोजिंग ऑफ किया जाता है. खड्डा खोद के उसके अंदर डालना पड़ता है केमिकल्स को. तो डिस्पोजिंग ऑफ द वेस्ट फ्रॉम सच फैक्ट्रीज may cause pollution. So you have to do work, you have to do electroplating with rules and regulation. जो पॉल्यूशन डिपार्टमेंट है इंडिया का, उसने रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन बनाए हुए हैं कि वेयर यू हैव टू डिस्पोज योर वेस्ट, अदरवाइज इट इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर अस. इट इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. द गाइडलाइंस laid down by the government, the guidelines which are laid down by the government must be strictly followed. Is that clear? So this is all about our chapter. लिख लीजिए ये सब and come to the exercise question and test book inside question. If you have any problem then ask. जैसे इन टेस्ट क्वेश्चन आपको दिए हुए पेज नंबर 163 पर. See that questions. Name two conducting and two non-conducting liquids. Name two conducting and non-conducting liquids. हमने पढ़ाया जब आपको बताया था. Lime juice and wine water. Silica, both are conducting. Clear?
Yes, sir.
लिख लो. Conducting liquid. And non-conducting liquids, distilled water, cooking oil, kerosene, कई सारे बताए थे मैंने. All we have done, हम सब पढ़ चुके हैं. अब आप बोलिए, आप में से किसको क्या कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो ये
हाँ मैं बोल
yes, see the question number 4. Read question number 4. What is that? At page number 163. A good conductor of electricity has a large number of
Sir, silver.
Electrons.
charged particles. लिख लो.
Electrons.
अरे लिख लो. Has a large number of charged particles, electrons. Very good. Write down the answers. मैं आप लोगों को भेजूंगा आंसर्स, लेकिन पहले आप अपने लेवल पे करिए. अगर मैं भेजता भी हूं, if I send the answers, then use your brain to write the answer. Dictate नहीं करें. Okay? Now, come to the NCERT exercise questions. See, there are 5 objective type questions are there. A good conductor has lots of electrons. क्या लिखोगे?
3.
Yes.
3.
Very good. An object can get charged by an
Rubbing.
object.
Charging.
Yes.
Rubbing.
बोलो.
Rubbing.
Rubbing. Very good. Rubbing. Write the
Okay.
answer. Rubbing. Then third question is used for purification of metals.
electrolysis.
Electrolysis. Very good. All you know very well. All the answers are available in our book. Fourth, an electroscope is charged by.
Conduction.
Very good. The longer lead of LED is always connected to the.
Positive terminal.
Very good. Very good. All answers are right. Similarly, all very short answer type questions are there. Read them and fill up the entries. Table salt mixed in a water acts as
Electrolyte.
electrolyte. Very good, very good. लिख लो electrolyte. Then charges repel each other.
Like charges.
Like charges, similar charges. We can write like charges repel each other. Similar charges repel each other. सब आता है आप लोगों को. Very good. Then see the next question. Charging can be done by friction, conduction, and
Induction.
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 खुशी माहेश्वरी बोल रही है बार बार. Yes, very good. तो खुशी, clap for you. Very good.
Thank
Yes.
you, sir.
Now next question. In electroplating, metal to be coated act as an anode. Are you agree with this statement?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Agree.
No, sir.
All liquids are good conductor of electricity
No.
because pure water does not conduct electricity. We have seen. So no. All answers are very easy here. Gas bubble produced in conducting liquids. True.
True.
ठीक है. तो ये सारे क्वेश्चन आप आज करेंगे. The liquid that conduct electricity.
Electrolyte.
Very good.
Electrolyte.
नहीं, the liquid that conduct electricity, conductor. Electrolyte used for electroplating, a spoon with silver. अभी अभी हमने पढ़ा है. कौन सा इलेक्ट्रोलाइट काम में लोगे?
Anode.
Electrolyte. Silver nitrate.
Silver
देखो,
nitrate.
Silver nitrate. 8th question. A device, ये आपने नहीं बताया, ये बता रहा हूं मैं. That indicates that a body charged or not.
Electricity.
Anemometer.
हैं?
Anemometer.
Ammeter.
Anemometer.
AMMETER. लिख लो. AMMETER. गौरव देवानी, listen me. लिखो ammeter. AMMETER. Yes. A lightning device that glows even with a weak electric current.
LED.
Yes.
LED.
Light emitting diode. The type of electricity that does not flow.
Static electricity.
Very good, very good. Write down. और last है the type of electricity created due to the rubbing of the two bodies, that is called frictional electricity.
Frictional electricity.
So this is there and some questions are there. All questions we have done. किसी में कोई डाउट हो तो you can ask. और मैं आप लोगों को भेज दूंगा. Okay? Hey, if you have any question, then ask. So all question you have to write. Last question देखिए, 7th question. Differentiate between electrons, neutrons and protons. Protons are positively charged particle. लिख लो. Neutrons are uncharged particle. Neutrons are uncharged particle. Protons are positively charged particle. And electrons are negatively charged particle. Then long answer questions are there. आप करेंगे और then send it copy to me.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.